Ladies and gentlemen, we will be passing through the cabin with our drinks and snack service as it's already lunchtime. If you would like to use this opportunity with us, don't hesitate to stop us as we will be passing through the cabin with our service. If you would like anything to eat, we have a special promotion as we have a cheese sandwich, strips of chicken with grilled vegetables and mozzarella sandwich, and we have also lasagna, vegan lasagna, and many other dishes. If you will take one of them with one drink and one snack, you will spend just 11 euros. But we have been upgraded as well, and there's an incredible promotion with one sandwich as you can choose even from our magazines, as you can see, one snack and one cold drink as white wine, red wine, rosé, as we are coming from the country of wine. You can use this opportunity to have a special lunch and recharge your last holidays day now with us and arrive in Brussels full of energy. For any reason, any information, anything that you would love, don't hesitate to stop us when we open.